You know that muffled feeling after using a cotton swab? You're not actually cleaning your ears. You're just pushing the problem deeper inside. That old method compacts the wax, making that plugged up feeling worse. You're not solving it, you're hiding it. So we found a better way. A device that uses the same method audiologists trust, but it's made for you to use right at home. How does it work? It uses a controlled stream of warm water to gently flush out buildup. No pushing, just safe removal. The 200 milliliter tank is enough for a whole session. You can get the job done without stopping to refill. You're in control with 4 pressure modes on one button. Gentle, powerful for maintenance, and pulse for stubborn wax. The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it. Okay, but what about the mess? The best part is that it does all this with zero cleanup. A full-fit ear cover makes a seal. Water waste flows into a separate, sealed tank, so your counter and clothes stay dry. It gets smarter, too. The device remembers the pressure you like. That's custom mode. Set your ideal water pressure once, and it saves that setting. No more guesswork. It's also convenient. A single charge lasts 15 days, so you're not always plugging it in. And it's quiet, under 65 decibels. That's about as loud as a normal conversation. Cleanup is simple. It's fully IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse the whole thing right under the tap. So what you're really getting is a smarter way to hear. This is the same method used in clinics, now in your bathroom. You feel clear again, no appointment needed. The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it.